Hello and welcome back to Mochi's Design. We are going to go into an Adobe Animate for Beginners tutorial today. I hope you are excited. So this is what we are going to learn. We're going to learn creating symbols. We're also going to learn placing symbols on the timeline, and we're going to master the warp tool as well as nail the classic tween. We are also going to add flair with easing in and easing out. So first we're going to start with mastering the art of symbols in Adobe Animate. So the question becomes, what are symbols? Symbols are reusable tools, reusable images, reusable video, reusable buttons, reusable animations. The point is that you can use them over and over again. They are stored. So you will find them in the library panel. There's also three different types of symbols. There's graphic symbols, button, and movie clip. Graphic symbols are static images, are animated visual elements. So they're static, they don't really move. That's graphic. So they're not moving within itself. Movie clips can move within itself. Let's say blinking. Maybe blinking is being done continuously throughout. Even if you move their arms or whatever may be the case, the blinking keeps going because that is what is added to its individual timeline. Then there's buttons. Maybe you want to add something to your website where you click and an animation starts, then you would make it into a button. So why use symbols? Can't you just draw it over again or copy and paste everything? Well, you want it to be organized. You want to know exactly where to go. You also want to be able to reuse the same elements. And maybe you want to update something. Maybe you realize, okay, I actually want to add this to this character. You can just change it in the actual symbol, and then all instances of it will be changed if you go into the actual symbol to change it. So we're going to go through each step here, and we're going to talk about how to get the actual symbol onto the stage and in the library as well, and how to make a symbol into a symbol, a certain element on the page into a symbol. Now we need to actually work with the symbol. You can go to Modify and Convert to Symbol, and then press F8 as well. You can choose the symbol type after that, graphic, button, or movie clip. And then you can give your symbol a name, and then you would click OK. The symbol will then appear in the library panel and be replaced by an instance on the stage. You will drag symbols from the library and then to the stage, and that will create an instance of a stage or an actual time when this symbol is being used in your animation. Then you can customize and change the instance without affecting the original symbol and the original file. You can also scale and rotate and change colors as well, and it won't change the actual element if you do it on the stage. It won't change the symbol unless you go into the symbol. You double click on the instance that is on this stage, you can then edit the symbol right from the stage. You can also go into the library and double click where the picture is of the symbol, and then you'll make a bigger page come up where now you have the timeline and you know for sure that you are editing the symbol. So here's some tips for symbols. It's good, especially if you have a large project, to keep everything separated when it comes to the folders, and you can add a folder as well. You can also, it's also good to make the names of the symbols easy to remember and consistent, so characters have a certain letter or a certain word that you know, okay, this is a character, oh, this is the background, oh, this is the element that they're going to interact with as well. You can also place another symbol inside of a symbol. So that it will always be a part of that symbol. So let's say something's always swaying, and then you have a person there that's always blinking. You can put the swaying object that it holds inside where it's blinking. So now this is swaying and your eyes are blinking at the same time whenever you use the actual symbol. So I like to tell you that there's a link in the bio for Adobe Animate as well as the rest of the Creative Cloud as well, and I hope you guys will check it out. And if you're interested in working with me, please email me and get in touch with me and we can work together. So here is the symbol. It's called Girl in Blue, and we've moved it over into the actual stage. There's an instance as well, and we also added a folder which is seen on the bottom of the library. And so now there's two on the stage. And so because we added an instance, another symbol inside of a symbol, now you see that there's two symbols on the stage together. Oh, just wanted to tell you the rest of the videos will come out and we will learn even more about a very easy technique to animate. Check out the next video that YouTube says would be the best fit for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!